how you can add your Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open Calendly and create the event you want to share. To do this, tap on Create in the top left corner. Then choose the event type. It can be one-on-one, group, or round robin. Pick the one that works best for you. After making your event, tap on View Booking Page to see how it looks. This is what people will use to book time with you. Now, tap on Copy Link to copy your event link. Then go to LinkedIn. At the top right of the page, tap on Me, and then tap on View Profile. Next, tap the pencil icon next to your name. Scroll down and find the section where it says Website. Paste your Calendly link there, and then tap Save. Once saved, you'll see the link on your profile. If you tap No Thanks, you'll still see the link showing up. There's another way too. You can tap Add Profile section, then tap Add Additional, and choose Add Contact Info. You can add your link there too. It will show up in the same place on your profile. And that's it. That's how you can add your Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile.